Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to download Raft for free on your PC or laptop. Alright, let's start to open up your browser and search for Steam Download. Click on the first link that pops up and then hit the Install Steam button. And once it finishes downloading, go ahead and install it on your computer. And after that, open Steam and then it'll ask you to sign in. So if you already have an account, just log in. If not, click Create Account and then set one up. So it will only take a few minutes. Now, I wasn't able to log in on my end because of a small issue, but don't worry, I'll walk you through what to do next. So once you're signed in, head to the Steam homepage and type Raft in the search bar. And when the game shows up, click on it to open the page. So from here, scroll down and click Add to Cart, then go to your cart, hit Proceed to Checkout, and then pick your payment method. Enter your details, then click Continue to finish the process. So after the purchase is complete, go to your library, find Raft in the list, and hit Install. And that's it. The game will start downloading. And there you go. That's how you download Raft for free on your PC or laptop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.